हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू क्वांटिफायर्स। माय नेम इज साहिल अरोड़ा। एमबीए टॉकिंग्स में आपका दोबारा स्वागत है। एंड अनदर फ्रेश न्यूज़ फॉर टुडे, एनमैट registration has started. Yes, you have heard it right. Narsi Munjit, Mumbai, the registration for their exam has started. They just have given the notification on their website right now. So I'll take you there and I'll show you some of the important dates and features around it. All right. Now, before I go there, like always, I say that these are some of the important things you should do if you are a serious aspirant. First of all, please join our Facebook group in which we do the mini mocks regularly. आज का mini mock है, right? In which we do the VA test regularly. All right. So these are the people who attempt them every day. So these are all the free stuff given to you, and these are the practice questions posted every day with solutions and everything, so that you can prepare regularly. Right. If you want to receive all these important notifications right in your inbox, you can just fill the Google form in the description and you will start receiving everything right in your WhatsApp inbox. All right. First thing. Now, let me take you to the official website. So this is NMAT's official website. The URL is again given in the description. All right. The NMAT is taken by GMAT. GMAT is the same authority which also takes the GMAT, just in case if you do not know, right? So the scheduling date, which is today, 3rd August 2021, and the scheduling end date is 17 November 2021. Exam delivery date from when you can start taking the exam starts from 14th October 2021. All right. You can attempt NMAT a maximum of 3 times, right? And there are particular windows when you can do that. All right. We will talk about the format in a while. Now, if you are taking first attempt on or before 24 November, you can actually take 3 attempts. All right. Because there has to be a gap of minimum 15 days between any 2 attempts. All right. Read this point. There is a mandatory gap of 15 days between any 2 points. All right. Now, this is the registration fees, 2,300 plus applicable taxes if you are registering early. If you are late registration, doing late registration, your fees will be 2,800 plus taxes. All right. For every retake that you have to take, you will again have to fill 2,300 plus taxes. All right. And this is quite a costly exam, just in case if you are wondering. Right. If you are going to take 3 exams, you have to pay a minimum of 6,900 plus taxes every time. All right. Now, this exam can be taken from home as well as by visiting a center. Right. If you are taking it in the home, there are some specifications that you need to complete, that you have to have this internet connection proper. There should not be any webcam, VPN. There should be a proper webcam. There should be a proper these specification. Minimum Windows 10 must be there. All right. You cannot take it on Windows 7, Windows 8. So Chrome browser has to be there. All right. And this is the system processor that has to be there. Right. I often recommend it to all the students that if it is possible, please go to a particular center and give the exam. Because it happens often in GMAT that if there is any technical error while giving it from home, the authorities are not responsible. You yourself are responsible. All right. So these are the things that they will ensure that you have at the minimum. All right. Now, when I talk about the structure of the exam, the structure is pretty much the same, right? There are 36 questions on English, 28 minutes, on quant 36 questions, 52 minutes, on logical reasoning 36 questions and 40 minutes. The total number of questions are 108 and it is 120 minutes, 2 hours of an exam. The score range is 12 to 120 in all the sections, which means a minimum score you will be getting is of 12, the maximum is of 120. Your scores will be scaled scores, right? आप कुछ क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं, उसके बेसिस पे आपका कोई रॉ स्कोर आएगा. Basis your attempts, it will be scaled into out of 120 and you will get your score out of 12 to 120. This is how they are doing it, and you will get the report within 48 hours of giving the exam, right? And just in case if there is some error, it may take up to 5 to 7 days. This is another important news, right? Now, this is the whole soul of NMAT exam. I often recommend it to people that if you are sure that you want to give the NMAT exam, give your first attempt as soon as possible so that you can actually reappear for it if NMAT is one of your targets. If not, then take it in the mid somewhere. I will make a different video on how to prepare for this exam and how many times you have to take the NMAT. This was just to notify you that you should start booking your slots as soon as possible. Last time it happened that a lot of students were not able to get their desired slot in their cities, and they actually had to travel for 1 to 2 days in order to give this exam. Right. So if you are sure about it, go out and book your slot right now. Cool. And just before we go, the final reminder that please do attend these things regularly. There's a lot of free stuff out there. There are some important links in the description. So go and see them and join them. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.